Hello, happy new month to everyone. So today we got NFP. We have NFP coming up in like 25 minutes. So this is how my analysis will be, and I'll be taking some trades based on the technical analysis. And simply, we will first be analyzing DXY because that's the base currency that we are using for the NFP. So analyzing the price will help us determine the direction of the market during the NFP. So when we analyze the chart, I mean technically, this will help us to identify where the market will be going. Is it strong USD or weak USD? But I'll be posting this later on YouTube so that everyone can get what I do normally before the news release. So first thing first, we do have what we call the area of liquidity, as you can clearly see into 4 hours, I mean weekly time frame. Onto our weekly time frame, can clearly see price just came to test into the area of liquidity. Simple. This is the weekly time frame, so which means we had a downtrend direction of the market, so which means this swing low was broken successfully. So price came here testing, then proceeding to the upside direction, downside, sorry. It will be here testing, then proceeding to the downside direction. So as we proceed to the rest of the time frames, like the daily time frame, to look for more structures, we'll see we have this week to week overlap. So we need to make sure inside this week to week overlap, we have what we call the structure. So we need to have the structures into its coordinated time frame. So into its coordinated time frame, we can clearly see that we have the structure. That price came to grab the liquidity, then we have to drop to the downside. So let us see if we can get any confirmation for us to be taking the trade and proceed to the downside. So yeah, clearly we do have the shift here, then the formation, which means now we have successful marked our area that will be taking the trade to the downside direction. So we have the weak dollar. So we have the weak dollar that price has published on our side. Let us see the GBPUSD. Yeah, GBPUSD, you can see it on daily because we'll be trading GBPUSD. Okay, on GBPUSD, on our daily time frame, you can clearly see that price broke this structure and it came to react on this point, which means now with the connecting the dots from what we call the dollar, which means now we do expect price to just push further to the upside direction. So that's GBPUSD. Let's see gold as well. Gold on our daily time frame, we see that price has reacted as well inside this area of liquidity, which means now we are looking forward to be buying price the upside direction. So which means now at this point as well, we are looking forward to what? To buy XXUSD and sell USD XXX. So from here, 1 hour, yeah, from here 1 hour, we have, let me check the 30 minutes time frame. So price came to test into this area of liquidity. then pushes furthermore up. So which means now I'll be looking for other more confirmations for me to be buying. Yeah, price shifted. So we are looking forward to buy higher. So what I'm expecting is that gold to be buying from this structure here, then to the upside direction, because it's the reaction point that price came to react. Then what do we have? GBPUSD also. Also, I'm on buys on EURUSD, so I took the trade from the downside here, down, just down. I'm on buys, which means now we do expect more buys of the price from the. So I'm still on buys, which means let me check now on for our daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame now we have the support and resistance. Now this is the best setup. We have the support and resistance, but before the price breaks, we had the week to week overlap. Then into that week to week overlap, we had the formation, as you can clearly see here, of which price came now to react into this area, which now we'll be buying as well. So for instance, now price has already, so this will be our referential price to proceed to the upside, which means now we are risking only 12 pips. Of course, I won't be putting the stop losses. You can use the stop losses always, but I won't be risking that much on my side. That's why I won't be using the stop losses. Even if I use, it won't be just down below this structure. So which means now we are expecting price to push from this structure here to the upside direction. So let us wait and see how price will have to offer us. What price will have to offer us in the next run of the NFP. Let me do this here. This point, yeah. So that's it, and I wish you best of luck in the coming few minutes. So we have 1 minute to go, and I mean just some few seconds to go. Let us see how the price will behave on our side. Five seconds to go. Yeah, so like what I said, this is how we do analyze the market in a very easy way. So this is how it's easy. You can bank some amount of pips by analyzing the price. I mean the chart only. So let us see GBPUSD. Also, we did some analysis, but this was way more clear to do as you reference on. Yeah, we can clearly see we had the push to the upside. Simple. And let us see DXDY. Very easy. I can clearly show you also, my students. You can see DXDY, what we just analyzed earlier. A nice drop to the downside. Simple and clear. And yeah, this is how you analyze the news using technical analysis and not the fundamentals by looking the data that were released from the past. And this is how we roll into a new month, and we are going to the weekend. Thank you and enjoy. Hopefully this will help you a little bit. And thank you.